We're going to take a look at how to uninstall apps in Windows 10. The Microsoft Store icon is normally pinned to the bottom of the taskbar as default when you get a new version of Windows installed or you buy a new computer, but in case it's not, you can also get to it from start typing in Microsoft Store, and Microsoft Store itself is an app. So when you load that up, you'll be greeted with the home screen, similar in many ways to other online stores like Steam and like the App Store. And if you click onto apps, it will allow you to find many different apps. Now, many people use this to install apps and click on VLC, for example. You can click on See Details, and then you'll be able to install VLC from here. However, what you would normally expect, and in line with other app stores such as the App Store on Apple, is that when you can also come to the App Store to uninstall apps. But what we find is if we go down on the left hand side menu down to Library, that shows all the apps that are currently installed. Now what you will also find is, regardless of whether you have actually installed any apps, some apps will have come pre-installed. So for example, in this setup on Windows 10, things like Candy Crush Friends Saga was pre-installed, Farm Heroes Saga came pre-installed as well. Now you've got some options here. We can open it, which we don't want to do, but you'll notice if you click on the three dots next to it, we can share, write a review or pin to the taskbar, but there doesn't actually seem any way to delete it from here. So if you click in, like you would on many other app stores, we'd expect to see an uninstall button now, but all we can actually see is play. And if we scroll further down, we actually find that we've got all the information about it, but there isn't a way for us to uninstall. Now, unlike other app stores, uninstalling cannot be done from the Microsoft Store. So what we have to do is note the name of the app that we want to delete. So in this case, Farm Heroes Saga. We need to close the store. We need to then press on the Start menu, start searching for Farm Heroes Saga, and when you see it there in the menu, rather than clicking on it to start it, if we go over to the right, you'll notice there's several options, including the uninstall option. So if we click on that option, it warns us that this app and its related information will be uninstalled. So for example, if you had used the game and you'd saved the game, it will also delete that data as well with your progress in. But in this case, we've never used it. We just want to uninstall it to save space. So we're going to click on the uninstall button. Windows informs us that Farm Heroes Saga is being uninstalled. And what we should find then is that if we then search for Farm Heroes Saga now, we no longer get the app up here. It's just searching on the web for us and giving us the link to get it from the store, but we can see that it's actually been deleted now and has saved us space as well as cleaning up our computer. If that's helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and also for more tech video tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe.